All right, I confirmed that it's a direct bolt-on for the Ford Escapes. The front mount intercooler from a Focus ST, and I'll tell you what company I got it from. It's a 4-inch. If you see, it's a 4-inch intercooler. And now I'm hoping that I don't have to cut some of the back brackets right here in order to fit it. But if I do, I'm just gonna probably cut it like from here and just leave this as leave the top one as a support, and that's it. That's all I really need. But yeah, and for those of you, this is a direct bolt-on. It clips on to the clips right here instantly. If you see, they fit OEM. I just put the ITS sensor in there, and it's from Max Speeding Rods Turbo for Focus S3 MK3, and direct bolt-on. I can confirm, if you Focus ST's users, it fits. This is the front bumper. Now I'm kind of hoping those little things on the back are not going to intrude. No, I doubt it, because it fits up to right here and it's going to have enough space, but let's hope so. I'll update more and see how it goes.